Hey Kings family, so today is Sunday, Father's Day, and there's my ribeye that I so much deserve, and just real simple, real thin carnita. Raiders with her dad, so it's just basically for me and King, this little cookout, which is very simple, guys. Booty, which is my oldest child, she decided to go to Subway. Nothing wrong with that. But I love me some steak, guys, so that's fine. I can't wait to eat it. Hope you guys are enjoying the hell out of this day. Okay, to y'all that have a great father, God bless your daddies. All right? Cuídense mucho. Love each other. I'm up and I'm out. Peace.